Hello, this is Selena with Inceptions of Design. I'm out here on the site where we're going to be doing the Houston Avenue Flea Market for Father's Day weekend. We're looking at the last bit of yard work or grounds work that we're going to be doing in preparation for the sale. We've already decided that we're going with 10 by 10 spots for each booth, and those spaces will be going for $35 a day. And if you book both of those days, you're going to have a savings of $5. So rather than $70, you're going to be paying $65 for both days. And as far as food vendors, we're going to put that over on our cement area, and those are going for $65 to put a food truck up or a barbecue pit, that sort of thing. And if you book both days, you're going to save $10 on that one. The bands, those are going for $25 a day. We're going to have a dedicated space where bands can perform, set up a table, and sell CDs if they have them, promote their events, things that they're going to be doing in the area. So that's something. So this is a good opportunity to come out and promote your local business, what you're going to be doing, what you have to sell, new items, handmade items, artwork, or even if you're just cleaning out your house and decided to go ahead and clean out your closet or something like that, get rid of the clutter, this is the place to come get rid of it. We're going to make arrangements with the Goodwills to come out here as we wrap up our flea market and pick up leftover items that people don't want to take back home with them. So you can make a donation to the Goodwill. Goodwill Industries does a lot of good work in our community with people with special needs. So we'll have that available to you if you want it. And give me a message or a call and let me know how many spaces you'll need